Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to disable JavaScript in Google Chrome and Windows 11. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. Select Security and Privacy from the left side list. Go to Site Settings. Click on JavaScript. Look for Default Behavior Block. Check Don't Allow Sites Use JavaScript option. If you want to enable JavaScript, check Sites can use JavaScript option. You can also add exception for sites. Go to Allowed to use JavaScript or Not allowed to use JavaScript exception option. Click on Add. A new window will pop up. Add the website's address. Click on Add. If you want to edit or delete exceptions, select the website that you need from the exceptions list. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Edit or Remove from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!